getting faded, but I rock it like a baby in the car. I put the water in the ocean in the city that I'm from.
Hey guys, hey babes, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. We're doing a steady vlog today. I woke up not too long ago, got myself ready. The agenda for today's vlog is going to study for a bit. There's a bookshop in the city center. I definitely want to get a book or two. I have to meet my friend up to help her prepare for an interview. Then I'll go get like bubble tea from the city center because I'm in love with it. It's not as good as the one from Fika Tea back in Ghana, but it's not bad too. Yeah, so if I crave it, I just go to that particular Korean store to get it. Is it a Chinese or Korean store? One of those, yeah. But before we start all those activities, guess what again? Tell me why I just received a bag from Teddy Blake. Reached out to me and they were like, they would definitely want to send me one of their bags. So I'd like tell them what my first impression was and see how I like it. I'm going to show you guys my first impression. I know it's a luxury for you type of bag. If a bag was made by Italians, just know, because when it comes to bags, let's leave it for the Italians, okay? But yeah, I'm about to unbox it with you guys, so I'll tell you what I think about it. And I kind of have forgotten what bag I chose from the website, so we're going to be actually seeing the bag for the first time together. So yeah, let's do this. Ooh. This is it. First of all, let's acknowledge the packaging because this is giving luxury. This would be my first ever designer bag. You know what it is. So it says over here, designer handbags made in Italy, luxury leather. Each Teddy Blake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Period. Let me take pictures and I'll come back to you guys. This is what the bag looks like. It has like a bubble wrap around it. No, like it has a plastic bag around it. It comes in a dust bag. I remember which bag I picked now.
My God.
Oh! It's over. I am in love. I feel like I have to sit down for this. Hold on. Okay, hold on. So, straight out of the box, this is what the bag looks like. So pretty. This is what the insides of the bag looks like. So this is definitely one leather that is, you can tell from just looking at it and holding it that the leather is giving, like it's good leather. This bag is probably going to last a lifetime because obviously if you keep it well, because look at this, like if you touch it, it doesn't give cheap leather, it gives Italian craftsman. This bag is a dream. Thank you so much to Teddy Blake for sending me over this bag. I'll definitely have this bag and the Teddy Blake website linked in my description box if you want to get any of the Teddy Blake bags or if you want to just check out the bags. Just to have a feel, okay? I could not pick when they told me to actually pick. Everything looks good. I wish I could take this to class today just to give classy. I'm just going to study, but I want to give classy because I told you when I dress up and I look good, I study harder. I don't know. It's just a thing I have. This is going with me to class today. I don't care what y'all say. A win is a win.
Y'all say in that lingerie on that Chardonnay, going touchdowns on your runway. I'm Texas forever like Barbie and I'm Rambo in the O. I'm Billy Rick like John Jack, I'm Camo in the O. These thoughts can't lock me nowadays. You wish I was no pound cake. Boy, you know I look good at full. Wish I was your baby mom. Want me to go around and give you good karma, but no. We escalate up in this bitch like elevators. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Of course, sometimes shit go down when it's $1 billion on an elevator. Goddamn. Mama taught me good home training. My daddy taught me how to love my haters. My sister told me I should speak my mind. My man made me feel so goddamn fine. Wake up, post up, round around in it, lost and on that. This diamond, my diamond, this rock, my rock. I woke up like this. I woke up like this.
High volume.
I got what you need, so come share my world. I wanna let you know that you don't have to go. Don't wonder no more what I think about you. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl, your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world, share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, with me. 'Cause everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. Now it's obvious you need a friend to come hold you down. Be that one to share your everything. No one's around. Baby, come tell me your secrets and tell me all your dreams. 'Cause I can see you need someone to trust. You can trust in me. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your homie. If it's something that you want, then you should make me your girl. If it's something that you need, then baby come and share my world. If it's something that you want, come and take a walk with me, walk with me. Everything that you need, I got it right here, baby. It's been so long I've had this feeling that we could be everything you've ever wanted in your fantasy. I won't push too hard to break your heart, 'cause my love's sincere. I'm not like any other girl, you know. So let me erase your fears. So just call me whenever you're lonely. I'll be your friend, I could be your homie. You should make me your girl.
Have you left? Do you normally pass by any supermarkets before you get to my place? Hi guys, I'm back to my room now. My study session went well and I managed to get one book. So I have like a 3,500 word essay to submit, and because of work I haven't gotten around to really doing it. I've been able to do it up to like 2,000 something words, so I'm left with about 1,000 something words, and the ending part is what is vexing me because I've written all the sense in my head. But yeah, tomorrow we go again. I mentioned my friend would be coming around, so I help her with an interview she has coming up. So there's that. And also I didn't go get the bubble tea because learning just dampened my mood and I couldn't wait to be indoors because I was supposed to actually meet my friend on campus to help her with the interview thing. I just wanted to be in my room. So I just came home and told her to just come here instead. So we're going to be making Korean noodles and waiting for her, and then we'll be reading while we do that. I'm too excited. So I'm going to unpack. I've unpacked the bag, but I'll put everything away and then I'll relax a bit while I wait for my friend. When she gets here, that's when I'll go down to make food with her in the kitchen so that there's something to converse over as we talk. So yeah, if you want to get this book, I have the soft copy. Just DM me. I'll definitely send it to you. I don't have a problem. Don't worry. I'll send it to you. So yeah, marriage for one.